Hey there! In this video, we're diving into a common problem faced when working with QGraphicsScene. The issue arises when adding items to the graphics scene after the event loop has started, resulting in a cramped display in the top right corner instead of the desired scope. It's quite the conundrum, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. By manually calling the qgraphicsitem.sceneTransform function after adding the item to the scene, we can ensure that the view is adjusted correctly. This simple step helps avoid the issue and maintains the desired display scope. Remember, sometimes a little manual intervention is all it takes to set things right. Solution sorted. To wrap things up, we've discussed a common problem in QGraphicsScene and explored a simple yet effective solution. By ensuring the correct function is called at the right time, we can avoid the display issues and maintain the desired scope in our application. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Happy coding!